Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the largest platform to learn Deutsch. In this platform we have more than 63,000 contents to study Deutsch. We have more than 1,000 dialogues, more than 1,000 verbs, 4,000 sentence, 90 professions, vocabulary more than 2,000. I'm gonna show you the dialogues. We have the dialogues here. It's classified by level A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Let's go to one lesson. You can listen to the main audio.
Hallo, ich bin
You
Anna.
can
Wie
change,
heißt
as
du?
you can see, you can change
Hallo
the speed.
Anna, ich heiße Lukas.
Schön, dich kennenzulernen.
You can also listen to the audio individually.
Hallo, ich bin Anna. Wie heißt du?
Hallo Anna, ich heiße Lukas.
There's a button here. I'm gonna show you after. We have the vocabulary. We have grammar tips. As you can see, we have this button here. You can click on here. You can write a note. I like it. You can save. You can save it. You click here. You click and save it. You can see whatever you save it. You can play it.
Ich komme aus
You
Brasilien.
can
Und
edit.
du?
You can report to the administration if you think this is not correct or is missing the audio. We have verbs, phrases, words, grammar, dialogues, songs, slangs, professions. You can see by data. Today, last 7 days, last 30 days. Come back to home. Let's go to verbs. I am in the paid version, so I have all the verbs. You can listen
Sein,
to the verb. Here we have more than a lot of sentences in the past, present, and future. To learn just the verb, sein, just verb. Let me see. Just the other verbs, haben, gehen, kommen, is a lot of examples in each one. We have music. More than 89 musics to listen. Is classified by pop, rock, reggae. Let's see one.
Die Sonne scheint, wenn du bei mir bist. Jeder Moment fühlt sich an wie ein Kuss.
You can also change the speed. You can save as well. Let's see slangs and expressions. Oh, we have love, drink, food, everyday life. Let's click on love. You can list the word.
erfahre.
There are examples here.
Hatte eine Affäre mit einer Affäre bleibt selten
This
geheim.
category have more than 1,000 and a half phrases. That's what I think is very interesting. More than 1,000 expressions and phrases to learn. We have the quiz. Loading. Quick quiz. you can mix it. You can click in A1, A2, B1, B2. Which number is X? You can listen to also the child. I don't remember the kind.
Die Kinder.
It's wrong.
Mich.
Pronunciation geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. We have the vocabulary hunt. Is a game of snake. It's interesting, but I think they can make it better. You have to find the word. It's very interesting for free time. Come back home. We have write. There are a lot of phrases to write. I'm with the mic microphone in my hand, so it's a little difficult to write, but I'm gonna try it. Ich frage mich, warum ich hier bin. Interesting. You can see the translation. You can check or try it again. Or to again. Oh, correct. You can go next. You can play it all the day. You can listen.
Die Mauer ist hoch.
So come back home. More than 3,000 quiz is very interesting. And the right interesting. The pronunciation. The pronunciations is classified also by A1, A2. You can listen to the
Oh, das wusste ich nicht.
original.
Wie
Let me
funktioniert
see.
das denn?
I'm gonna listen
Oh,
it
das
again.
wusste ich nicht. Wie funktioniert das denn? Oh, das wusste ich nicht. Wie funktioniert das denn?
Oh, das wusste ich nicht. Wie funktioniert das denn? Stop. Oh, das wusste ich nicht. Wie funktioniert das denn?
Oh, das wusste ich nicht. Wie funktioniert das denn?
It's not that good, but you can save. Go to my records, right? You can click and save. This saved also. You can play. Oh, das wusste ich nicht. Wie funktioniert das denn? There is we have here the start section. Let me see it. Okay, you can see the start sud session. You can start. We can quick session. If you don't have a lot of time, you can click on quick session. Haben Sie einen Stadtplan? Nein. Listen.
Haben Sie einen Stadtplan?
Which article is used with Mädchen? Das Mädchen. Putzen. Ich putze die Wohnungen. Okay. Viel Erfolg. Okay. Wir fahren nach Berlin. Okay. Leben. I love you. Okay. Ja, meistens treffe ich meine Freunde oder gehe ich spazieren. Yes, I usually meet up my friends or go for a walk. Okay.
Ja, meistens treffe ich meine Freunde oder gehe spazieren.
Okay. What is the German greeting for good morning? Good morning. Okay. Ausgeben, spenden, ich gebe Geld, ich spende money. Okay, natürlich, ich bringe Geschenk mit. Okay.
Natürlich, ich bringe Geschenke mit.
Ich bin eine Student. Opa. Okay, I gonna. There are quick question. You can stay here forever. Click on home. You can find out where to start. 9 languages. So you can find something, some very good website learning. Deutsch. I think this is one of the better. I think it's the better one. Uh, you can explore the plans. You can pay monthly is $8, just $8. 1 year is $30, and we have the lifetime access for $600. Uh, is 600? Sorry, is $60. $60, $30, $8. Uh, it's very interesting, but because they are planning to make others languages, so if you pay for a lifetime, you're gonna have all the other languages. So interesting. We have the free option. Have 20 items in each category, placement quiz, lo-fi radio. Yeah, we also have the themes, the Viking as well, the pattern, the modern pattern, the Viking, and the Aurora. You can change for night or day, night or day, night or day. So if you want to join us, feel free.